In the radio, something like automatically the songs I required, like it won't come. You have to set the frequency where the channel is playing. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
You require to set the frequency where the channel is playing, then only you are going to listen. Observe carefully. Array 103,
Yes, sir.
103.5 FM or 102.5 FM. You require to set that frequency, then only the channel related you can listen. Okay, like something like if you switch some randomly, I want the songs. No. Same way, you require to tune to opposite person's frequency. Then the things are going to work out. I hope, are you getting my point? Add it, all the frequency loki veltene, you require to enter into their frequency, then happily whatever the things are required, you will get. But if your frequency the different, his frequency the different, then automatically vary the question. Tuned to their frequency, then only you are going to get the required songs. I'm very much interested in 7 number. That's why 77, 777 or 47s I'm going to tune. If you want songs 103.5 FM or 102.5 FM, whatever, I don't know that number, you require to tune, then only you are going to listen. No, man, 7 is my lucky number. I want to tune either 7 or 77 or 777 or 47s only. Is it going to come? I hope. Are you getting my point? Opposite person's frequency, you require to identify and you require to tune that frequency only. That thing must be important. Remember carefully.